Hey there, fellow citizen of the internet, Moses here, and today I have with me the Insta365, Insta360, more specifically the X5. Now, this is going to be an unboxing and my first impressions. This is not going to be the full review, mainly because I want to separate those two. I want to give you my first impressions and the unboxing experience, and then I will do a full review once I've had enough time to play with it, test it out in the real world, so to speak, and then I can fully give you my opinion. But for now, this is just going to be the unboxing and my first impressions. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get her opened. Okay, so I'm gonna be a little gentle with it. Not really. So I've never really owned many action cameras. I'm not really a huge fan, even though it's kind of a stupid idea for me not to do that because I traveled so much, and I'm always a bit conscious about cameras. So having something that it's portable and can kind of stay hidden-ish. Like I'm shooting this this video on a Sony A6700, which is a heavy hitter. But when I'm traveling, having to bring that with me, I feel so self-conscious when filming in public with video cameras. So I should have given action cameras a bit more of a chance, but I didn't. I did not. Okay, so here we go. Just took off the plastic bag there. Will I need a knife or not? Let's see. Okay, it looks like there's a spot here to open. Perfect. And just come down here. Oh, nice. This is nice. Every moment, any angle, no limits. I guess it's in the name, it's 365. Okay, so let's see here. First thing that we got right off the bat right here is the goodies, if you would. All right, we're gonna set this aside for now. It's a good weight to the hand. It feels pretty decent. I feel like I would cover the screens, I mean the lenses here by mistake, but okay, let's put that to the side for now, and let's see what else we have here in the box. I guess I'm a bit too excited for this, so this does not provide. Okay, well, here we go. I'm destroying stuff already. All right, what do we have in here? Okay, open that. And in here we've got these are the instructions. I never really read instructions, although there's so many times where I go through the process of trying to utilize something that I've just purchased without actually reading the instructions, and then I have to go into my trash can to find the instructions. So okay, anyways, back to it. And we're gonna open this little thing right here, and we're gonna find what do we have here? A small pouch. Okay, it just has Insta360 on one side, and inside we have some sort of a cloth. Let's see here. Inside, oh, okay, this is the cloth. So it feels pretty nice. It's a very nice cloth. It's probably to wipe the lenses, most likely, and of course the device itself. Okay, set that aside. And on this other package here, we have a USB-C to USB-C. I'm guessing that this is going to provide power as well as data transfer capabilities. We'll see. Okay, set this aside. What else do we have? Okay, this is now empty. All right, I'm gonna put this aside, and for the rest of the package here, we have absolutely nothing. I think we're done. I think that was it. Okay, now the package itself is just so I did not need any knives to open it. It was just the plastic that was around it and then it opens pretty nicely, and it's got a good substantial weight to it. It doesn't feel that cheap. And on the outside of the packaging, it's relatively minimal, right? It shows just that it's waterproof. It shows you what you can do with it. And I'm gonna switch to this camera here, but it gives you a quick rundown of some of the things that you can do, including knowing that you can go down to 49 feet with it. And on the other side, it's just more of the same, just giving you the experience, or more or less what it is that you're going to experience once you're able to use the camera. Okay, so let's power this baby on. I don't know if it comes with an SD card already, so just gonna take off that right there. Now this is a very good indication of what your experience is going to be, because I've never opened this before. I haven't used an action camera for a long time. So if you're in the same boat, this is most likely going to be you are most likely going to have a similar experience. So I'm gonna take this off right here. Take this little plastic. Let me give you just it looks like there's another plastic right there. Oh, that's probably the microphone. Okay, interesting. Okay, and there's a compartment here. What do we have in here? This is where you're gonna connect the USB-C in there, probably for data transfer and or other functionalities. One giant screen right here. It's about almost, it's the length of my pinky, so that's not a good international standard of measurement, but I would say about 3 inches or so by 1 inch, more or less. And then here let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the battery. Okay, that's how you remove the battery. I'm gonna put that back in. Okay, great. And we have the on button here and the Q here, which I don't know what the Q is for, because guess what? I did not read the instructions. Okay, back to it. All right, so let's power this baby on and see what we have. Okay, I just gave it a press right there. All right, I have a selection of different languages. Okay, the screen is relatively smooth. Okay, and I'm gonna keep it at English. I'm gonna go to next. Download the Insta. Okay, so it looks like I have to, I'm not a huge fan of this. Okay, so please download the Insta360 app in Store or Google Play to activate your camera. I don't know if you can see that. I guess I have to download the application in order to use it. I'm not sure if it's a necessity. Maybe, hold on, let me go back. Is there another way to use it? Okay, I'm gonna give this some serious thought. This did not go the way that I thought. I thought I was gonna be able to just test it out and then give you my impressions. But since this is an unboxing and first impressions, that's all that there is to it. I'm gonna do some pondering, some soul searching, to figure out if I would like to download the app, activate the camera. I mean, of course, since I told you that there's gonna be a review, I will most likely go ahead and download the application. And that is kind of a shame, though. I wish I didn't have to do that. I wish I did not have to download another application in order to use it. But this is my first impression. My first impression is it feels pretty decent in my hand. I feel like I might accidentally cover one of the lenses, just because I haven't used a device that has, 2 lenses on either side. So I might accidentally think that it's this lens, and I'm just gonna cover this other lens as I'm using it. But I feel like over time it would I would get used to it. Now I'm noticing that it's got pretty fingerprint magnety type thing. I mean, I've only just used it for a few minutes, and you can already tell the smudges and everything. But we have this cloth in here that you can just rub on there, and just like that, it's, I mean, not exactly brand new. I mean, it's still brand new, but this is a very nice cloth. My goodness. Okay. Wow. Okay. So this is as far as I can take it for now, given that I'm not able to. I don't want to download an application and make this video any longer than it needs to be. But as far as unboxing and first impressions, I would say I have very, very, very good first impressions as far as how it feels in the hand, the quality in the hand. Let me just give you another quick show right there. It's a well-built device. It feels decent, feels pretty good in the hand. And at the bottom there, I forgot to show you at the bottom, there is a quarter, I think it's a quarter inch, just to screw into a regular tripod there, and then some lanyard holders there, and okay, this is my first impression. I think it's I gotta give I gotta give some thinking. I gotta do some thinking on whether I like the idea of having to download an application just to start using the camera. I do understand that downloading the application is probably going to give me all kinds of functionalities that will give this device its full functionality, but I wish there was an option to use it without having to download the application. Just for some of us that, I mean, if I'm traveling, the last thing that I want to do is having to travel with this and my phone and something else. Yeah, okay. I will download the application, of course, and then I will give you my full thought afterwards. But for now, this has been my quick first impressions and unboxing. Cheapers, I can't talk. And my unboxing experience of the Insta360 X5. I am so tempted to say the Insta365 for some reason. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you would like to watch the full review when it comes out, which, like I said, I'm probably gonna have to do it because I said that I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna download the application for it and yep, put it through its paces and see what it's made out of. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you in the next video. Peace.